This 2026 Grand Design Transcend 325 BHT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep's 10 carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, smoke detector, spare tire kit, TV, microwave, LP detector, leveling jacks, awning, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend 325 BHT is 8,672 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.